Have you ever wanted to go on a road trip and bring all your belongings with you in one vehicle? Yeah, I have. Today, we're gonna make it to where I can do that because we're going to the beach next week. I'm not prepared. We don't have room in the car. Let me show you what I got. I bought this off of Amazon, and it's probably the cheapest legit roof rack that I could find. It's for a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Only one issue that we may encounter, but I'm gonna test this to see if it works. It says that it doesn't work for the panoramic sunroof. I think it's gonna work. So let's unbox this thing. Pretty nice quality. It's metal. I would be very disappointed if it was plastic. What kind of packaging is this, dude? All right, now that we got it all in the box, we have 4 of these things. Don't know what they are. I do actually. They clamp to the existing side rails. And we have our crossbars. And then of course, we don't need this. We don't read instructions. We just wing it. Okay, some hardware. That's important. Allen key if you don't have tools. This is great. Okay, interesting. So they don't have a key. They do lock, but not with a key. So I guess if you're a professional thief and you have a flathead and an Allen key, you might steal this off my car. It's kind of disappointing, but these crossbars were $100, which is like the cheapest ones I could find. Ones from Hyundai are like $400. Let's go throw them on the car. Okay, let's test these. See if the sunroof clears. Looks like it's doing good so far. You got plenty of clearance, top and bottom. All right, it looks pretty good to me. Only issue I do see is if you do have something mounted to these crossbars, the clamps may get in the way, so be aware of that. Obviously, you have to have something to put on top of this roof rack to get the benefits of having the roof rack. I chose to go with this Yakima Skybox 16. I got a pretty good deal on it on Facebook Marketplace. It's a really good size, can fit quite a good amount of stuff. So it uses these really easy to use clamps that clamp from the inside. Nice and secure. Don't think anybody's breaking into that. Okay, I have my little assistant here, my daughter Tatum. Oh yeah, you gonna tell him? So we just took our beach trip and the roof rack performed great. Didn't have any worries that it was gonna fly off. If you're interested in buying it, go on Amazon or click the link below. It is an affiliate link, so you'll just be helping Tatum get more toys. All right, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.